Let's talk a little bit about animation. I thought I could show you how to do a couple of things. Might be cool. Let's look at this eye right here. And that's this one. Okay, this one. All right, I'm gonna add a slider. So let's do this. Put an A in there. It could be a B or a C. And check out what that does. Whoa. Okay, so check it out. As soon as it kind of stretches this thing out, and as soon as it goes into the negative realm, you know, think about if this is negative, that changes that to a minus sign, and it turns your ellipse into a hyperbola. So I don't think we want it to go negative. Let's make the least it can go is 1. Let's try that. Okay. All right, that's kind of cool, I guess. Kind of weird. Um, let's see if we can't mess with that a little bit. It'd be nice if I could get that to like basically wink. Let's make that 1000. And I'm going to long press here. Actually click on it. I can do a couple of things. Let's do this and let's speed it up. Okay, let's see what that did. Oh, that's way too fast. Okay, maybe that's too big. I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay, well, we'd have to play around with that to make it look less weird. I don't know, it kind of looks weird. I wonder if I put the A down here, what would that do? Oh, that makes it grow instead of shrink. I don't think that's what I wanted to do. Okay. Well, anyway, you can kind of see what that does. I would play around with the numbers to get it have the desired effect. I thought about maybe making the smile change a little bit. So which one is that? This one? Okay. Watch what happens if I put an A right there. No, you don't want to. Just put a B there. Different slider. Okay. Oh, now he's sad. Um, so okay. So you can see that's kind of cool, I guess, but you've got the problem with these cheek marks, I guess. You would have to try to, I don't know if you'd want to stick those in there or not. Putting a slider with that would be weird. I don't think that's gonna do what you want. It's gonna be really hard and probably not worth it to try to attach those things. So I don't know. That's kind of cool, I suppose. Let's do this. I'm gonna get rid of that. And let's do this. Let's make his mouth open. So okay. Move it down a little bit. That's too much. Use a decimal. Okay. Now, this parabola seems to be parallel. We need it to be steeper. So we need to kick this up to a higher number. Ooh, that's almost perfect. Check it out. And it's actually pretty good. Now, notice if I want to fill in the mouth, that's not exactly what I want to do. Greater than or equals. Let's restrict it, but instead of, we've already got it restricted from -1 to 1 on the x, and you might be thinking, well, let's restrict the y. Let's go with y was 1.5. Let's go y is less than 0. -1, -0.5. Oops. 0.75. You're not going to be able to make this work by restricting with the y's. So what we want to do instead is we want to restrict it with another curve. So instead of restricting just the y value, a horizontal line, we're going to restrict it with this curve. So I'm going to have a restriction, but my restriction is going to be the top, well, not the restriction here, but the top part of this equation. Control C, paste that in there. And why didn't that work? Oh, because this equals sign. This equal sign is saying my restriction is only where it equals this smile. I want it to be, what, less than the smile? Less than the smile. Okay, now, why does that still look kind of weird? Yeah, all right. So you're just playing around with the numbers, kind of. All right. So, all right, I don't like that red. Let's make it like a nice pink color. So, pink, how about Barbie pink? Remember, RGB, we want these RGB numbers, 224, 33, and 138. So I go C2 equals RGB. I already forgot. 224, 33, 138. Barbie pink. Nice. So let's grab that. You can't even tell the difference. Let's fill it up with, let's see. Let's change the fill. All right, that's pretty good. Okay. All right, let's have a black outline underneath it. Let's see. That was this equation. Equals, need that same restriction, don't we? Too much. Thick. Long press. Let's make it 1. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's got kind of a weird effect. Yeah, if we turn this line off, there we go. That's better. All right, pretty cool. Got some animation. What if let's add an animation on this. Let's see. What if I go B? What does that do? Ooh, interesting. All right, how about minus B? What, plus? Change it from 0 to 2. That's weird. What if that's minus? Yeah, there we go. Okay, wait a minute. Where does that show up? Yeah, about 0.5. So let's just change that to 0.5. That's kind of cool. Speed it up. Yeah, that's not bad right there. All right. So which one was that? This one? Let's put a minus B on that one. Oh, that's not going to be good. Yeah, that restriction. I don't like that at all. Ooh, that looks like a tongue. That's kind of cool. I kind of like that effect a lot. I don't like that. If you wanted to leave that line in there, you'd have to play around with the restriction and put some sort of a B in your restriction, I'm not sure that it's worth it. I guess let's stop this for a second. You'd have to change this point. You'd have to find whatever this point was. Yeah, I'm not sure that's worth it. That's kind of cool though. I like that.